The City of Hastings is continuing the process in forming a partnership with a gas company to reduce its landfill emissions in what can be called a win-win situation for both sides. The Chicago-based company New Carbon is in the process of developing a system that will capture methane emissions from the Hastings landfill and convert it into renewable natural gas.
Our purpose for being is to reduce the life cycle carbon intensity of operations for our ag and industrial customers throughout the Midwest.
It's not a well-kept secret. Landfills stink. Remnants of scraps, trash, and waste decay in landfills and produce odors, which is partially from methane, a greenhouse gas. While it's almost impossible to prevent methane from being produced from waste products, New Carbon is offering an effective solution to mitigate those emissions at the city landfill in Hastings.
What we're looking to do is to build a landfill gas collection system on the City of Hastings municipal landfill and essentially collect the biogas and install an upgrading system to upgrade that biogas into pipeline quality natural gas.
The process takes the trash that's already in the landfill and captures the methane gases, which after being treated are exported to an already existing natural gas line less than a mile away to the north. The city's environmental director says there's no danger in methane levels at the landfill right now, and the partnership is more of a proactive approach for the future with an expansion on the horizon.
Right now we are meeting the statutory limits on how much, so we don't need to remove it today. But as we start filling up the landfill, then there's more material to generate more methane, as well as just looking down the road, with the landfill expansion, there's going to be more cells out there. We're going to have a landfill there for the next 30 or 40 years easily.
The win-win plan for both parties is for the emission capture system to be built on this land here that the city bought from the state last year. New Carbon will build and pay for the equipment, installation, and maintenance, leaving no cost to the City of Hastings. New Carbon is currently in the early stages of engineering the system and will begin construction in 2027 with an expected completion date of 2029. While Lammers and New Carbon still have several years to go in the development process, the City of Hastings will see and smell the benefits at no cost to them. Reporting in Hastings, Ryan Valenta, News Channel, Nebraska.